If you're looking to personalize outreach campaigns on Apollo.io, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the key steps to create highly targeted, personalized campaigns that will drive results. Whether you're new to Apollo.io or just looking for a few tips to up your outreach game, this video is packed with useful insights. By the end, you'll know exactly how to craft messages that resonate with your audience and increase your success rate. One of the most powerful features of Apollo.io is its ability to personalize outreach at scale. You can start by building a list of prospects that fit your ideal customer profile. Apollo makes this easy with its advanced filtering options, like job titles, industries, company size, location, and more. This helps you narrow down your target audience, ensuring that your outreach efforts are both efficient and effective. Once you've set up your prospect list, it's time to personalize your outreach. Apollo.io lets you craft custom email templates that you can personalize for each prospect. You can use dynamic variables like the prospect's first name, company name, and even job title, which makes each email feel like it was written just for them. Personalization is key when it comes to outreach. Generic messages simply don't cut it anymore. Apollo.io also offers a powerful automation feature, which allows you to schedule and send emails at the optimal times. You can set up sequences where multiple emails are sent automatically over a period of time. But here's the trick, you can still personalize each step of the sequence. You can add custom fields and edit your messaging based on how your prospects respond, making it easy to keep your outreach tailored and relevant throughout the process. A neat feature in Apollo is the ability to track and analyze the performance of your outreach campaigns. By monitoring metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and reply rates, you can quickly see which messages are resonating with your audience and which ones aren't. Apollo gives you the data you need to continuously improve your messaging, ensuring you're always getting the best results possible. Now, let's talk about integrations. Apollo.io works seamlessly with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and LinkedIn. These integrations allow you to manage your outreach campaigns directly from the platform without having to constantly switch between tabs or tools. This streamlines the entire process, saving you valuable time and effort. Lastly, if you're looking for even more personalization options, Apollo offers custom workflows that allow you to automatically follow up with prospects based on their actions. For example, if someone opens your email but doesn't reply, you can set up a follow-up email tailored to that specific scenario, helping you keep the conversation going. Remember, the key to success with Apollo.io is personalization. By taking full advantage of its features, like custom lists, dynamic email templates, automation, and detailed analytics, you can create outreach campaigns that stand out and get results. And the best part, you can try Apollo.io for free with an exclusive extended free trial available through the link below, which will give you full access to all these features and more. Now that you've got the basics down, I encourage you to explore Apollo.io further and start building your own personalized outreach campaigns. With the right tools and strategy, you can significantly increase your response rates and turn prospects into customers. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive trial.